These bikinis look simple to Freer, but the process behind them is anything but.
Efforts. The rhythmic pounding of these looms weaves the very fabric of global fashion, transforming.
Once approved, raw materials are shipped globally to bikini factories for final production.
The color consistency is perfect, and the stretch performance meets the specifications.
Agreed. This batch is approved for production.
Every batch of fabric is tested before production begins.
Each bikini design is digitally graded to produce multiple sizes with perfect consistency.
Does the grading look correct for the plus sizes?
Yes, the curves are holding up well on the 3D model.
Automation ensures speed, accuracy, and minimal material waste.
Even fabric waste is carefully managed to reduce environmental impact.
Inner linings add comfort, durability, and coverage to every bikini. Each bikini set is carefully matched to ensure perfect fit and consistency. Reinforced stitching ensures bikini straps remain secure under movement and water. Sizing checks ensure every bikini fits exactly as designed. To ensure durability, the machines apply consistent load forces, meticulously testing the fabric's recovery and resilience over thousands of cycles. Only bikinis that meet strict quality standards move forward. Durability testing ensures bikinis withstand movement, water,
and repeated use.
Controlled washing fixes color and prepares bikinis for long-term wear.
Final finishing ensures every bikini meets comfort and appearance standards.
Post-wash reshaping ensures every bikini retains its intended fit and structure.
Individual packaging keeps bikinis clean and protected until they reach the customer.
Final packaging checks ensure consistency across every shipment.
Accurate labeling ensures correct sizing, care, and product information.
Digital logistics systems ensure bikinis reach global markets efficiently. From factory floors to stores worldwide, bikinis are shipped every day.
Clear that path to Bay 4. We need to load the bikini shipment now.
Careful palletizing protects bikinis during storage and long-distance shipping.
Every bikini is designed for comfort, flexibility, and everyday wear.
Behind every bikini is skilled craftsmanship, precision, and teamwork.
Subscribe to explore how everyday fashion is made inside the world's largest factories.
From raw fabric to finished fashion, every step is carefully engineered.
The stitching on this turquoise one is perfect. They look great. Ready for the box.
Yeah.